Hello everyone, welcome to Mayo Catering Services. Remember, you can eat with your favorite jam. With this my scones, I bake one with that in the oven and one baking in the oven. This is the ingredient. Please, let's start. Prepare baking sheet or baking tray. Sieve the flour. You're supposed to sieve the dry ingredient. Add your salt to it. Add your baking powder also to it and sieve it. You see how it's good you're supposed to sieve your flour before you sieve. Add the sugar and mix it. And put it aside. Grate your butter. The butter supposed to be cold, chilled before you can grate it like that. And rub it. Rub until well combined. Like my Facebook page too. Put it aside. This is my milk, I'm going to use it. Add the sour cream and add the egg to it. Add vanilla essence and whisk until well combined. And add it to the mixed flour. Mix it until soft dough and form. Please share my Facebook page for me and my YouTube channel, please. And now you can use your hand to make the dough well combined. Yeah, you knead it nicely. Please don't let it be too soft or too hard. Put small flour on surface. Transfer the dough on the surface. Use your hand to press it down. Use cookies cutter to cut it or any round thing you prefer. Continue the same process till you finish any amount you want to cut it. Bring small flour on prepared baking sheets. Place them on prepared baking sheets. And you continue the same process what you did before. Continue like this. Press it again. use cookies cutter to cut it. And this is the one we are going to bake it on stove. So this one is for this one is not for the oven one, but the one we are going to put it on the stove to bake it. The baking sheets you did for the oven one, the same thing you should do for the stove one. Add your chocolate chip, or if you prefer to use raisins, you can use that one. Also, you transfer on surface, you press with your hand. And like my Facebook page. And cut it with cookies cutter and add it to the one you have already arranged it on baking tray or baking sheet. Heat the pot and brush on top with egg and milk. Press into the pot. Cover it, let bake for 25 to 27 minutes or until golden brown. This one without baking in the oven. See how nice it looks? Yeah. And this is the oven one. Also brush with mixed egg and milk. Brush on top like that. The same way you did the stove one, the same way you should do for oven one. Preheat your oven 180 degrees. You're supposed to heat your oven. Also bake 23 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven, let go, and serve with your favorite jam. This is nice and tastes good. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching me.